Let's talk to Eddie Tofpik. He's head of technical analysis and senior markets analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Very good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
Right, let's kick off with dollar yen. What's going on here?
You've got a choice between two things, basically. The market's come down. It's bounced off the long-moving average, the uptrend, which is at around about 104.67. That stretches back from 2016. We've then used this area of support resistance, 106.68, 106.55, a couple of Fibonacci levels there, and we've bounced up and then come back down, and we've not really decided where to go because just above us we have the old neckline at 108.21, and above that we have the medium moving average at 109.32. You could see the market moving up to those levels, but I think it's going to come back down again and test that support. Right. Because if we'd have gone down, we should have done it by now. If we'd have gone up, we should have really done it by now, which is what we've seen. We've seen an attempt higher, but it's been half-hearted. Right. So we're starting to come back down, I think, again. It's narrowing. We're going that 109.32 is quite steep. It's going to come down below 108 very soon, and the 104 is fairly shallow, but it's still going to be below 105 for a good few weeks yet. So the ranges are narrowing. I think you're seeing at the moment the top end sort of not quite sure where it's going to go up there and then come back down again. But I've got to worry about that 104.67 holding. Understood.
Okay, let's move on to the Aussie dollar.
Well, this has been a story about a trading range which was 76.40 to 79.30. We've broken above 79.30. We did that the last couple of days, and we're now using that as support. So where are we going next? 77.90 is a medium moving average. Then you've got this sort of channel, the upside of it, with a load of resistance, a long moving average, and a load of stuff between 77, well, let's say 78.15 up to something like 78.20-30 area. I think it's going to try higher. In fact, I've heard one of the banks actually said that they're looking out for 79.5. I think it's going to try higher, but it's going to find it tough resistance going through, say, 78.40. But I think an attempt higher is on the cards for that one.
Understood. Okay, let's do the rand. Boring.
Boring. 1159.5 is the uptrend from 2011. That's supporting the market. The rapidly falling medium moving average is 1225.75. That's the resistance. And then if you want something else, it's 1284.65, I think, is the long moving average. It's going to get squeezed, and then you're going to see the pips come out, and then you see a break on the upside or the downside. I'm not sure which, because you could argue this is a double bottom, but you could argue it's a reverse head and shoulders, but then you could argue basically it's a sideways trying to move lower. It's not happening yet, but it will do.
Eddie, on that note, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.